This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Nissan Altima steering wheel. First, ensure your key is fully inserted into the ignition. Then, while applying gentle pressure to turn the key, simultaneously wiggle the steering wheel left and right. You should feel the lock disengage with a distinct click, allowing you to start your car. This method is the most common and effective way to release a locked steering wheel quickly and easily. Sometimes the steering wheel might not unlock on the first try. A common reason is that the gear selector isn't fully in park. Double-check this first. If that's not it, try using a spare key, as a worn key can sometimes cause issues. Also, applying slight pressure to the brake pedal while turning the key can sometimes help release the mechanism. These steps often resolve minor sticking points. To prevent your steering wheel from locking up unexpectedly, try to avoid turning the wheel sharply after you've parked and turned off the engine. Always remove your key straight out of the ignition without twisting it. Periodically, you might consider lubricating the ignition cylinder with a specialized spray to keep the internal components moving smoothly. These simple habits can save you frustration. If you've tried these steps and your steering wheel remains stubbornly locked, or if the key won't turn at all, it might be time to call a professional mechanic. A damaged ignition cylinder or a deeper mechanical issue could be at play, requiring specialized tools and expertise for repair. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to smart speaker deals and other great offers. Don't hesitate to seek help to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.